Hello guys, welcome to our second tutorial on the Nigerian legal method. In the first tutorial, we started with a simple introduction where we stated the good stuff's coming your way. It's just the good stuff, people, and guess what you get after the good stuff? More good stuff till I fill you with goodness. I would like to apologize on the typo error in the last video. I misspelled introduction. That was my bad. To err is human and to forgive is divine. As an aspiring lawyer, believe me when I tell you, you need to know how to get your facts straight. You have to be a fact detector. And one notorious fact I want you to understand right now is that it will take you less than 2 seconds to click that notification bell and that subscribe button below. Let's begin, guys. As promised, we will start with defining Nigerian legal method and system. You need to understand the striking difference between method and system because they are very similar. I can say, what method do you use to get that result? And I can also say, nice result. What's the system used to attain it? We can easily see the nexus between the two in English. But in law-related terms, system will take a bodily form, like the computer system. The computer system, just like the one in front of me now, has many components, hardwares and softwares, that all come together to form a computer system. But when I want to open the computer system, there is a method I must use, like holding the power button and also putting a password, if any, to fully access the system. You now see a clear difference between the former and the latter. So this is exactly how it is. The legal system is the totality of the law, legal rule, and the legal machinery, the whole entire system. The term covers a lot. It covers the constitution, political structure, government, legislature, judiciary, and the justice delivery system. Now, the legal method can be seen as the entire core principle, value, and philosophy behind the adoption of a particular mode of legal and judicial concept. This definition was given by Dr. K.M. Danladi in his book, The Nigerian Legal Method, and I think he did justice to legal method with that definition, legal method. Legal method is concerned with fundamental legal theories that are addressable fully by jurisprudence and legal theory. So we can say the Nigerian legal method is a study of Nigerian fundamental core legal principles, philosophy, and values at foundational level. You won't be taught the Nigerian legal system as a fresher, but you will be taught the Nigerian legal method. This is one of the many differences between the two. The Nigerian legal method will help you to start thinking as a lawyer, while the Nigerian legal system will teach you how to apply the thinking to solve some given legal problems. The Nigerian legal method also focuses on the teaching of substantive legal theories, while the Nigerian legal system concentrates on the development of the procedural aspect of the law. Most concepts under the Nigerian legal method can be universally applicable. That means you can apply those theories you will learn while studying the course anywhere in the world. Let's treat some similarities. Both the two are designed by the NUC. Both courses examine classification of law. Both courses are also geared toward enhancements of the Nigerian legal system of justice. Both courses to some extent are flexible to accommodate the dynamics of law. Yes, the law is very dynamic. It changes and it differs. What is law here might not be law there. What might be law today might be abolished tomorrow and a new law will take place. Well, that's it for our second tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, press that subscribe button, comment below, hit that bell, and anticipate my next video. Thank you.